And we're here now with Ardem Patapoutian, Nobel Prize winner for his work, Molecules That Sense Touch. Thank you so much for sitting down. It's an honor to be here with you.
Thank you.
And I guess we'll dive right into your research that focuses on the sensors that determine how we experience touch and pain, sound, and blood flow. Tell us what it was like earning the Nobel in physiology for this work.
It's a remarkable reinforcement in a way. You know, we scientists do science for the love of science. We love the process of discovery. We love coming into lab every day and interacting with the trainees who do the work. But getting this kind of recognition is something else in a way. And I feel very fortunate to be recognized, but always like to emphasize that it's individuals get recognized for this, but it's really the accomplishment of a whole field of science, both within my lab and outside collaborators in the field. But it was a really, really special moment to hear it.
Were you expecting it in any way?
Not really. I think some people tell you that your work is at that caliber and you might hear it, but I think you kind of put that away, because if you start expecting it, it's kind of not a good thing for for your psyche.
This meeting's BPS lecture. What information is covered in your talk?
So because this is a kind of an overview talk with a broad audience, I thought I would first do kind of review of the field and our findings, summarize it in the last 20 years. But I know biophysicists love new data, and so I've also, the last 15 minutes or so, I'm going to include some new unpublished data that I'm very excited about.
Wow, well, speaking of, what is next for your lab, and where do you hope to see your research go?
So, you know, our whole lab is focused on this idea of mechanosensation. So the idea is that most cells communicate by chemicals, hormones, neurotransmitters, these are all chemicals. But we also sense mechanical forces such as touch and pain and blood pressure. So those are the known processes that depend on mechanosensation. But these molecules that we found that are responsible for initiating these sensations are also expressed in all kinds of different cell types that we didn't think mechanosensation is important. So the future actually is going to be expanding from these known fields to unknown areas of biology and diseases that depend on this process.
So still a lot more to learn.
There's still a lot more to learn, I think. And I love the fact that we're at this interface of both incorporating human genetics data as well as our own work in animal models. And it's a very powerful combination. And so I think lots of interesting new findings should come forward in the next few years.
Incredible. We can't wait to see what you have in store. Ardem Patapoutian, thank you so much.